Good morning, student. In today's video, we are going to start the next chapter of our business studies, chapter number 8. This is the last function of management, that is called controlling. Controlling is a process in which we are comparison the actual condition with the determined standards, so that to look after that our work is in continuation is the up to the mark or up to the standard whatever we decided in our planning process. Because in management we have 5 functions, that is POS, DC and C, and today we are discussing the last function, that is controlling. In controlling, whatever decided in the planning and whatever is done by the other function, that is organizing, staffing and directing, we are analyze the situation, that a situation is according to the predetermined standards or not. So look at the meaning of controlling. Controlling is one of the important function of manager. In order to seek planned results from the subordinates, a manager need to exercise effective control over the activities of the subordinates. In other words, controlling means ensuring activities on organization and perform as per the plans. जैसा भी बताया आपको कि whatever we decided in the plan, we just check out it, the actual condition, comparison the actual condition with the predetermined standard that they are going to up to the mark, or they are our organizational goals is completed till the due date or not. So controlling also ensure that an organization resource are being used effectively and efficiently for the achievement of predetermined goals. Controlling is thus a goal-oriented function. So that's why it is called goal-oriented. Controlling should be misunderstood as the last function of management, and it is a function that brings back the management cycle back to the planning function, because we are identify it before starting from the first function. The analysis start from the first function, and we are also look after the where is the deviation, if any, make the corrective actions. So this process helps in formulation of the futures plan in the light of the problem that were identified, and thus helps in better planning in the future periods. Thus controlling only completes one cycle of management process and improve the planning in the next cycle. So this according to this we are discussing the meaning. The next topic that we are going to start, that is importance of controlling. In controlling importance, the first is that it helps in accomplishing organizational goals. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख रहा है, आप अपने बुक में देखिए. Accomplishing means the controlling functions measures the progress towards the organization goal and brings to the light and to the deviation. That means they help is to identify the mistakes, whereas the mistake is going, where the process is going too slow, what are the obstacles in the process. After identify the obstacle, if any, then give the and corrective action must be taken by the management. Thus guides the organization and keeps it on the right track, so that organization goal must be completed on the time. The next is judging accuracy of standard. That means, because in the first point we are discussing that they comparative accuracy with the predetermined standard. So judging accuracy of standard, that means a good control system enables management to verify whether the standards are accurate and objective. An efficient control system keeps on careful check on the changes taking place in the organization and in the environment, helps to review and revise the standard in the light of such changes. The next importance is efficient use of resources. If we are doing the complete controlling process, then we are efficient use of resources. We are doing the optimum utilization of resources, so that our work must be completed on time. So this help in also the optimum utilization of resources, whatever they are human, physical or mechanical. By exercising the control, a manager seeks to reduce the wastage, because now manager is not doing hit and trial method. They are easily apply the correct method by the help of controlling. and this ensure that resources are used in the most effective and efficient manner, because our work should be done in effectively and efficiently. It also helps in improving the employees' motivation. Helps in employee motivation. It also helps in the employees' motivation. How they help in the motivation process? Because motivations, when we are in the function, during the function of controlling, we are taking that case some employees are not giving their work and not giving their 100% to the organization goals in achieving the organization goals. Then we motivate them, we suggestion them, we communicate with each other why they are not focusing on their targets, why they are not doing the work according, because whatever they need from the organization, what kind of help they need from the organization, we are giving to them, so that the organizational goals must be completed on time. So controlling also helps the manager in motivation the employee. A good control system ensure the employees know well and all advance what they are expected to do and what are standard of performance on the basis of which they will be praised, and thus motivation help them to give better performance. Next is they are, as we know, what is the meaning of order and what is the meaning of discipline? According to the Schoool principle, order means everything must be at their proper place. Must be at and this help us to save the time. Okay, इससे क्या होता है, समय की बचत होती है और जो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम जो वेस्टेज रहती है that is the complete meaning of discipline. This is the meaning of तो same यही दो चीजें जो देखी जाती है controlling में, that the our organization employee must be follow these order and discipline or not. Controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization. It helps to minimize the dishonest behavior on the part and the box complain how to import export company was able. नीचे एक example दे रखा है box में, तो आप उसको देख के करिए किस तरीके से controlling process जो है ऑर्डर और डिसिप्लिन को मेंटेन करने में हमारी हेल्प करती है. फैसिलिटेटिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन इन एक्शन. कंट्रोलिंग्स प्रोवाइड डायरेक्शन टू ऑल एक्टिविटीज and efforts for achieving organization goals. Each department and employee is governed by predetermined standards which are well coordinated with one another. This ensures the overall organization objectives are accomplished. So this is the topic of today. The next topic is also in syllabus, that is limitation. The next, relationship between planning and controlling. This is our syllabus. And next is controlling process. This is our part of syllabus. After a process, how many topics are there in that topic? All are deleted portions. So in this way, in controlling, we have only 4 to 5 topics which we have to learn, and important to board examination point of view. The first is meaning of controlling. Second one is importance. Third one is limitation. Fourth is relationship between planning and controlling, and the last is controlling process. These 5 topics are related to your syllabus of chapter number 8, and rest of all deleted. So there is no need to learn them or read them. Okay, so this is the topic of today. Bye bye.